Hello guys! Welcome again to my vlog. This time, ang topic po natin is about sa incoming hurricane na si Ian. That's the name. And ito yung mga safety preparation checklist na ginawa ko. And it's very important na sundin natin just so lahat tayo safe. So lahat ng kailangang charge or i-charge nyo na para pagka in case na walang kuryente, meron kayong mga electric devices to contact and have access sa social media, or yung mga friends and relatives merong connection. And also meron akong pine-prepare na checklist in the house. I store adequate drinking water and food that does not require heated preparation. Bumili din kami ng gas and loads of water. And I also make sure na I have flashlights, candles, battery operated. Wala kaming yung mga, let's say, fans, wala kami nun, pero meron kaming power bank para ma-recharge namin yung mga cellphones na very essential. And then I make sure na you have an adequate data on your mobile phone to access social media updates that provide critical information. And also guys, remember, if there is no electricity, there is no Wi-Fi. So if your place is near to the ocean, lalo na dito sa Cayman Islands, yung lugar namin is very, it's a flood zone. So, very concerning siya. So, for more information, you just go to www.caymanprepare.gov.ky to determine what shelters are nearby. So, yun po yung sinusundan kong checklist. And for now, yun muna yung mga preparations na ginawa ko. And after namin bumili ng gas, which is successful, and I think we are more ready this time. So be careful and be safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.